Hello and welcome back, students. Today we're going to explore the anatomy of the human rib cage in just 2 minutes. If you're interested in learning more about the human skull and vertebral column, be sure to check out the links to our previous 2-minute videos above. Let's dive in and get started. The rib cage, also known as the thoracic cage, is a bony structure that protects vital organs like the heart and lungs. In total, the rib cage consists of the 12 thoracic vertebrae and the 24 ribs, in addition to the sternum. The rib cage is composed of 24 ribs, split into 2 equal sets of 12 ribs, one on the right side and one on the left side. At the center is the sternum, or breastbone, which consists of 3 parts: the manubrium, the body, and the xiphoid process. It serves as a central point of attachment for the ribs. The sternum is a flat, T-shaped bone located in the center and front of the chest. It forms the front of the rib cage and connects to the ribs via cartilage. The costal cartilage that runs alongside the sternum allows the chest wall to expand when breathing in. Now, let's focus on the ribs. The 12 pairs are divided into 3 categories. True ribs, these are the first 7 pairs, directly attached to the sternum via costal cartilages. False ribs, the next 3 pairs, 8, 9, and 10, are indirectly connected to the sternum. Floating ribs, the last 2 pairs, 11 and 12, are free at the front and provide flexibility. The rib cage isn't just a shield, it's a dynamic structure that expands and contracts during breathing, aiding the lungs in inhalation and exhalation. Between the ribs lie intercostal muscles. These muscles play a crucial role in breathing and maintaining the stability of the rib cage. This is all about the human rib cage. If you're interested in learning more about the 3D human skull and vertebral column, check out the linked video above. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more engaging content.